Is there a chance that you've been wasting your time making YouTube Shorts? I've been hearing a lot about how YouTube Shorts can either benefit or harm your channel. On one hand, they can significantly increase your channel's views. On the other hand though, it might attract an audience that's not aligned with your brand's values or goals, potentially harming your channel's reputation. So it begs the question, are shorts good or bad? Especially for business owners, it's crucial to avoid tarnishing your channel's reputation or attracting the wrong audience. Spending time on short form or long form content becomes pointless if it doesn't contribute to your growth. So I'll be discussing the 5 tips to determine which format suits your channel best. Tip number 1, YouTube Shorts can generate a lot of views, but not the right audience. You see, YouTube Shorts are typically brief, engaging videos designed to capture your viewers' attention quickly. Since they're short in length and usually entertaining in nature, shorts can attract a large number of views from casual viewers scrolling through their feed, or people just searching for some quick entertainment to give them that boost of dopamine. However, these viewers may not be interested in the more deeper, more detailed content that your longer videos have to offer. For example, I found a YouTube channel called Polly and Bree, and their videos get anywhere from 200,000 views to 15 million views. Can you believe that? A lot of people are fans of this dog. However, if we look at their views from longer form content, it can be a bit different. Polly and Bree's channel has around 200 to maximum of 2,000 views, which shows that their audience is mostly here for the cute YouTube shorts. Moving on to tip number 2, which is long form content promotes better watch time. You see, longer videos really dive deep into the topic or idea, giving you more to chew. When viewers spend more time watching longer videos, it shows that they're really into what they're saying. YouTube likes that and tends to push videos with longer watch times, since they signal viewer satisfaction and interest. As a result, longer videos are more likely to be recommended to other users, leading to increased visibility and potential growth for your channel. But remember, it's not just about the length. The content has to be engaging too. However, shorts offer another advantage that makes them ideal for content creators. Which brings us to our 3rd tip now, which is YouTube Shorts can be posted on all platforms. YouTube Shorts, being quick and attention grabbing, are great for sharing across different social media platforms like TikTok, Facebook. Since they're short and sweet, they're easily shareable. This really helps creators expand their audience beyond YouTube. And what makes this more interesting is that you may come to realize that TikTok or Instagram might get your reels even more attention than they do on YouTube. So that way you can focus more time improving the channel that gets the most views. But lots of views don't always mean lots of money. If you have a business and want to target a specific demographic, you're going to have to remember tip number 4, which is long form content can help find more professional audience members. Picture this, longer videos dive deep into topics. They really get into the nitty-gritty details. This could be super appealing to viewers who are serious about a particular topic or are looking to level up their careers. So let's say you're making a video about finance, right? And you're talking all about the fancy investment strategies out there, you know? Well, that kind of in-depth content can catch the eye of finance professionals or people wanting to step up their money game. This could be especially helpful if you're running a business and you want to connect with an audience that's seeking detailed insights and expertise. Essentially, longer videos help you attract a more professional crowd or viewers hungry for knowledge and expertise in their field. If you have a fan base of these types of people, you could better convert them into customers for whatever product you're selling, which in return will help you increase in sales and make more money. But that's not the only way that long-form content helps you make the big bucks. Jumping on to tip number 5, long-form content produces more AdSense revenue. For example, a 20-minute video with multiple ad breaks can generate more revenue than a 5-minute video with fewer ads, or a short with no ads at all. But before you go filming an hour-long video of ducks in the pond, remember that the engagement has to be there the whole time while people are watching the video. If too many people click off your videos too soon, then it won't make a difference, and your long-form videos will get lost in the depths of YouTube. A perfect example of this is when you're watching a YouTube video and the host is just about to get to the most important part and you're on the edge of your seat ready with so much built-up anticipation, but then it cuts straight to an ad. Now, do you just close out of the video and realize it's 2 p.m. and you've been in bed all day? No, you wait for the ad to finish up and you get right back on that YouTube grind. So, with all that said, the content you should be making is long-form content and short-form content too. Now look, if you're doing this for fun or just to grow your sub count, there's nothing wrong with uploading shorts. videos. Plus, the power of shorts is that they can be released on so many other platforms too. If you're using YouTube to grow your business, however, then long-form content will help gain the trust you need to sell your product. Making shorts is fine too, believe me, the more high quality content the better, but I recommend putting more time into the next long form video. But what you must remember is that no matter what form content you create, it has to have an impressive hook and keep your audience engaged for the entire length of the video. If this video helped you, subscribe and share with a friend who needs some help engaging with their audience. I'm Marco Zavala, and I'll catch you on the next one. Take care.